How do I send Instapaper articles to my Kindle? Are you looking to read your saved articles from Instapaper on your Kindle? You are in the right spot. Let's break down how to send those articles directly to your Kindle device. This process is a great way to manage your study time effectively, allowing you to read in a focused manner on a device designed for reading. First, you need to find your Kindle's Send to Kindle email address. To do this, go to your Kindle device and navigate to Settings. From there, select Device Options, then personalize your Kindle, and finally, Send to Kindle email. This email address will end with @kindle.com and is where your articles will be sent. Next, you will need your unique Instapaper email address. Log into your Instapaper account and go to Settings or More, then How to Save, and select the Email tab. Here, you will find the email address that Instapaper provides for sending articles to your account. Now, it is important to add Instapaper's sending email to your approved list on Amazon. This step is necessary for security reasons. Go to your Amazon account and find Manage Your Content and Devices. Then, click on Preferences and look for Personal Document Settings. Here, you can add the Instapaper sending email to the approved personal document email list. Once you have completed these steps, it is time to configure Instapaper to send articles to your Kindle. In Instapaper Settings, scroll down to the Kindle section. Enter your Kindle's Send to Kindle email address here. You can also choose to have articles sent automatically and customize how often you receive them, whether daily, weekly, or a specific number of articles at a time. If you are a premium user, you can use the Send to Kindle bookmarklet. This feature allows you to send articles directly to your Kindle while you are browsing. Just add the bookmarklet to your browser's bookmarks bar, and you can click it whenever you want to send an article to your Kindle. Once everything is set up, Instapaper will send your saved articles to your Kindle according to the schedule you chose. The articles will arrive as clean and readable documents, perfect for studying without distractions. Using Instapaper in this way helps you manage your reading material efficiently. By consolidating web articles into one device, you can reduce screen fatigue and distractions. This setup allows you to focus better during your study sessions. You can batch articles and schedule deliveries to fit your study routine, making the most of your available time. So, sending Instapaper articles to your Kindle is all about linking your accounts through email addresses, approving those emails in Amazon settings, and configuring Instapaper to deliver articles automatically or on demand. This method supports effective study time management by enabling distraction-free reading on a dedicated device.